Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss paper solution of GUJCAT 2018. Question number 1, GUJCAT 2018. If x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 plus z raised to 4 equal to 0, then in determinant, first row is 1 xy yz. Second row is zx 1 xy. Third row is yz zx 1 equal to blank, where x, y, z belongs to R. Here four options are given. First option is 0, second option is x plus y plus z plus 3, third option is 1 and fourth option is x, y, x plus 2. First of all, we will discuss how to solve this question. Here we have to find the value of this determinant. Okay. So generally with determinant, if this type of condition is given to us, so in this case we have to use this condition. Okay, here the condition is that x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 plus z raised to 4 equal to 0, where what is the xyz? Here xyz belongs to R, means we have to select any value of xyz. For this we have to satisfy this condition. Okay, but if you observe the power of x, y and z, then all powers are even power. Okay, so if we put value of xyz except 0, okay, or any two values are 0, other value is non-zero, so in this case what we get? Not equal to 0 answer. So this condition is fulfilled only for one choice, x is 0, y is 0 and z is 0. Okay, so now we have to use this value to evaluate the determinant. Check condition carefully. First step, here we can select x, y and z such that this condition is fulfilled. Now we discuss this condition is fulfilled only for one choice, x is 0, y is 0 and z is 0. Okay, now we have to put this value in the given determinant. So 1 as it is constant, x, y 0, y, z 0, again here 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So we get this determinant. Now evaluate this determinant, so answer is 1. So when you observe the option 3 is the correct option. So here what we have to keep in our mind, whenever this type of problem of determinant is given with condition, so in this case we have to use the condition, okay, so that we can easily find the solution. Question number 2, GUJCAT 2018. In determinant, first row is 10 factorial, 11 factorial, 12 factorial. Second row is 11 factorial, 12 factorial, 13 factorial. Third row is 12 factorial, 13 factorial, 14 factorial is equal to blank. Here four options are given. First option is 2 in bracket 10 factorial into 12 factorial into 13 factorial. Second option is 2 in bracket 10 factorial into 11 factorial into 12 factorial. Third option is minus 2 in bracket 10 factorial into 11 factorial into 12 factorial. Fourth option is 2 in bracket 10 factorial into 13 factorial. So now how to solve this determinant? Generally to find the value of determinant, what we need? Generally we evaluate the determinant using the row or column which contain maximum number of 0. Okay, so how can we convert maximum number of 0 in any one row or column? If any row or column contain all one number, okay, suppose this row has all number 1 1 1 or column has number 1 1 1, then using this one we can easily convert remaining two elements 0. Okay, and after using this row or column we can evaluate the determinant. So here what is our objective? How to solve this determinant? To solve this determinant, we try to convert any row or any one column having all elements 1. Okay, now here this column, if you observe, first is 10 factorial, 11 factorial, can we write in this way, 10 factorial into 11? Okay, same way 12 factorial is nothing but 10 factorial into 11 into 12. 11 factorial as it is, again here 12 factorial is nothing but 11 factorial into 12. Same way here 11 factorial into 12 into 13. Here 12 factorial as it is, 13 factorial is nothing but 12 factorial into 13, and 14 factorial that we can write as 12 factorial into 13 into 14. Here from first column 10 factorial is the common, so we can take it common outside. From second column 11 factorial is common, and from third column 12 factorial is common. Okay, So after taking this common value outside, write the remaining value in the determinant. So now first first row become 1 1 1, second row become 11 12 and 13, and third row become 11 into 12 12 into 13 13 into 14. Okay, now these value keep as it is. After here multiplication we get this determinant. Now here this first row contain all elements 1. Say yes or no. So now for next what we do, using this one element convert these elements 0 and these elements 0 and simultaneously do the remaining change in the elements. Okay. So now column 1 is multiplied by minus 1, add in column 2. So what we get, 1 minus 1 0, 12 minus 11 1, and 156 minus 132 is equal to 24. Same way here column 1 is multiplied by minus 1, add in column 3. So we get 1 minus 1 again 0, 13 minus 11 2, and 182 minus 132 is 50. Okay, so now this determinant contain first row in which maximum number of zeros are there. So using this row evaluate the determinant. Okay, so now 1 as it is, here do the cross multiplication, 50 minus 24 to the 48. So here we get 2. So now 2 as it is, and 10 factorial, 11 factorial, 12 factorial. So if you observe the options, option 2 is the correct option. Question number 3, Gujket 2018. If S is equal to P plus Q plus R, then value of S plus R, P, Q, R, S plus P, Q, R, P, S plus Q is blank. Here 4 options are given. First option is 3s cube, second option is 2s cube, third option is s cube, and fourth option is 2s square. Here first of all we discuss how to find the solution. Here again the determinant is given. We have to find the value of this determinant. Okay. So here with determinant one condition is given to us. S is equal to P plus Q plus R. Okay. So now we have to use this condition to evaluate this determinant. Now again in previous example we discussed that try to convert any row or column which has all elements 1. Okay. So now here observe that if we add in column 1, column 2 or column 3. Okay. If in column 1 we add column 2 and column 3, then what we get, S plus R plus P plus Q. Same way again here R plus S plus P plus Q, and again here R plus P plus S plus Q. So here first column contain all elements same. Okay. So now first we do this process. In column 1 add column 2 and column 3. So here after changes column 1 become this one, column 2 and column 3 remain as it is. Here the condition is given to us. What is the condition? P plus Q plus R is nothing but S. Okay. So S plus S become 2S. Same way again here put P plus Q plus R equal to S. So this one is become 2S and also this one is become 2S. Okay. Second column and third column remain as it is. After from first column take 2s outside. So first column become 1 1 1, second column and third column as it is. Now here all elements are 1. So using this last row convert these elements 0 and these elements 0. So how can we do this? Third row multiply by minus 1, add in second. Okay. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. S plus P minus P. P cancel out. S is there. Q minus S minus Q. Q cancel out, minus S. Same way row 3 multiply by minus 1, add in first. So what we get, 1 minus 1 0, P minus P 0, and Q minus S minus Q. So Q cancel out, minus S. Okay. So now in this determinant this first column contain maximum number of 0. So using this element evaluate the determinant. So now 1 as it is. Here cross multiplication, 0 into minus s becomes 0, minus s square. Here what we get, minus s square. So plus s square into 2s, the answer is 2s cube. So option 2 is the correct option. Question number 4, Gujket 2018. If matrix A equal to 1 1 0 1 and B equal to blank, then AB equal to BA, where B is not equal to I, that is identity matrix. Here 4 options are given. First option is x0 yy. Second option is xy 0x. Third option is xy 0y. Fourth option is xx y0. Now here we have to find the matrix B. Okay. A matrix is given and one condition is given to us, AB equal to BA. Using this condition, we have to find the matrix B. Again here one more condition is given, B is not the identity matrix. Okay. So what we do? To find B, here we take one assumption, B is any matrix. Here B is not equal to I, that is not identity matrix. Here we take the assumption, suppose B equal to X, Y, Z, W. Also one more condition is given to us, AB equal to BA. Now put the value in this condition. A matrix is given to us, B matrix is XYZW equal to, again here B matrix and then A matrix. Now do the matrix multiplication. So we get first X plus Z, Y plus W, ZW equal to here X, X plus Y, Z, Z plus W. Now here this matrix, this first matrix is equal to this second matrix. These two matrices are equal matrices. Okay. So if equal matrices are given, then also the corresponding elements are same. Say yes or no. So here X plus Z is equal to X, Y plus W equal to X plus Y, Z equal to Z and W equal to Z plus W. So now use the concept of equality and find the value of X, Y, Z and W. So now compare the coefficient. Compare first coefficient X plus Z equal to X. So here X is cancel out, X plus Z equal to X. So Z equal to 0. After Y plus W equal to X plus Y. So from this Y is cancel out. So here what we get, W equal to X or X equal to W. Z equal to Z as it is. W equal to Z plus W. So from this W is cancel out. So we get Z equal to 0. So after comparing coefficient, here we get two relation, Z equal to 0 and X equal to W. For Y, we don't have any information, so that's why we keep Y as it is. Okay. So now put values of X, Y, Z, W in B matrix. So now B matrix become X we have as it is, Y also as it is, Z equal to 0 from this. And what is the value of W? W equal to X. Okay. So now B matrix is nothing but X, Y, 0, X. So option 2 is the correct option. Question number 5, Gujket 2018. If matrix A equal to first row 3, 3, 3, second row again same 3, 3, 3 and third row is 3, 3, 3, then A cube equal to blank. Here 4 options are given. First option is 729A, second option is 81A, third option is 243A and fourth option is 27A. Okay. Now here we have to find A cube. So for A cube we have to do here matrix multiplication. First from this matrix find A square, then after A square into A find A cube. So now see here, find A square. A square is equal to A matrix into A matrix. Now do this row into this column multiplication. So what we get, 3 3s are 9 plus 9 plus 9. So here we have the all elements same. Okay. So after addition here we get elements 27 common in the matrix. So A square contain all elements same 27. After find A cube. So A cube is equal to A square into A matrix. Again here multiplication. So 27 3 is 81 plus again 81 plus 81. So if we do the multiplication for all elements, then we get the same numbers. So after adding we get 243. After this step, what we have to think? In option, we observe the option. In option, everywhere matrix A is given. Okay. So after this step, we have to take some number common such that here we have A matrix. So from 243, if we take 81 outside, then here we have the matrix A. Okay. So now this answer is 81 into A. So option 2 is the correct option.